Happy morning, children. Welcome to our session. Today we will continue the remaining sums. Okay? Tell me one digit numbers. One digit number that are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. Yes? Two digit numbers, two digits, that is lies between 10 and 99. That means in this between the all numbers will come two digit numbers like 25, 30, 65, 78 and so on. Okay, three digit numbers. That means this is lies between 100 to 999. Okay, so 250, 225, 350, 640, these all are comes under three digit numbers. Generally, how can we write the two digit number and three digit numbers? What is the usual form of the two digit numbers? This is unit place, this is tens place, and this is unit place, tens place and hundred place. Yes, so already you know that how to write the general form of any numbers like 56. How can you write as a general way? Yes, 50 plus 6, that means 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1, otherwise 10 into 5 plus 1 into 6 or 10 into 5 plus 6. Yes or no? In this way we will write as the general form. That means, and three digit number 135. How can you write 135 in general way? Usual form. Yes, this is unit place, this is tens place, this is hundred place. So what is the hundred place? 1. You should multiply with 100 plus tens place 3 into multiply 10 plus 5. Yes, yes. So today we will see some more application using this type of rules and form the linear equation. Okay, let's see how it will use in that particular equations. Okay, let us see the sum. The digits of a two digit number differ by 3. The digits of a two digit number differ by 3 if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. So what can be the original number? First of all, should write what are the given conditions and clues. Okay, first one, the digits of two digit number. So here we will take two digit number. First condition, it is a two digit number. Okay, next, the difference of the two digit number be x. Difference between the two digit number, difference. Second one, difference is 3 of the two digit number. Next, third one, third condition, if you interchange and the resulting number, if you interchange the digits are interchanged. So third one, interchange the digits. Interchange the digits. Okay, next, and the resulting number, that means if you interchange the digits, then you will get one number. Yes or no? So then that number and is added to the original number. So what is that first two digit number and the interchanged number? These two should be added, then we will get 143. That is the fourth condition. Fourth condition, if you add first and 3, that means two digit number and interchange the digits of the number. If you add these two, then you will get 143. So what can be the original number? So they are asking what is the original number. Clear? These are the conditions or clues. So suppose example I will explain. Suppose 56. Just take 2-digit number. So 6 is the unit place and 5 is tens place. Okay, 6 is unit place and 5 is tens place. How can you write
expanded form?
Yes, so 5 into 10 plus 6. Yes or no? Yes. Next, here they are saying second clue is the difference of these two numbers be 3. That means difference of the two digits. The difference of the two digits is 3. That means 5 minus 6 or 6 minus 5. Then you will get 3. This is second condition. Okay. Next, third condition. If you interchange the digits, that means tens place becomes unit place becomes tens place. So in this way, it becomes 56 becomes 65. Clear? And then fourth one. If you join these two, that means if you add these two numbers, that means 56 plus 65, then you will get 143. This is the given clues. These are the given clues of this problem. Okay, so we don't know the 2-digit number. Let me take as xy. Suppose think I will take as x and y. Xy is the 2-digit number. So y is unit place and x is a tens place. Okay. Next, second one, the difference of the 2-digit number. That means difference x minus y is equal to 3. Okay. But some children, they are asking the doubts. So why ma'am we are taking the x and y? Because just for understanding only, just for clarification. Suppose I will write xx. What is the difference? There is no any difference. So that's why I am taking another variable. But we are discussing only for the linear equations having one variable. So that's why I am changing this variable as like a one variable only. That means x or y. So here I will take y is equal to x minus 3. If you transport this y to the RHS, it becomes positive y. Okay, positive y is equal to transpose this value, then it becomes x minus 3. Clear? So now what is the original number will becomes x into, what is the y value? Not x into this one. X minus 3. X minus 3. X minus 3, not into. Okay. So now this is the tens place. This is unit place. Clear? So if you interchange the digits, then it will become yx. That means, so x becomes y becomes x. So yx. Okay. Then after, if you join these two numbers, we will get 143. That means xy plus yx is equal to 143. Clear? So here we are using some concepts here, that is usual form. How can you write this one? That means xy. This is a tens place, this is a unit place. So shall I write 10 into x plus y? Yes. At the same, this one 10 into y plus x. Now where is the y value? You should keep it that x minus 3. So here this is our original number. This is our original number. Clear? So let's see. See, let the 2-digit number be xy. Okay, in general way, that means usual form, how can you write? 10 into x plus 1 into y. That means 10x plus y. Okay, should carry as 1. This is considered as like a 1. If you interchange the digits, then the number is equal to yx. Then the number becomes yx. If you interchange the digits, then it becomes yx. How can you write in general way? 10 into y plus 1 into x. That means 10y plus x. Should take it, this is 2. Okay, equation number 2. Now, the digits of a 2-digit number differ by how much? 3. This is condition 2. So, x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 3. This is 3. According to the question, if you add the 1 and 2, that means original number and a new number, interchanging the number. If you join or add these two numbers, you will get 143. So, 143. 1 plus 2 is equal to 143. What is 1? Yes, 10x plus y. And what is 2? 10y plus x. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 143. 10x plus what is y? X minus 3. Yes, x minus 3 plus 10 into what is the value of y? X minus 3. Here x minus 3 plus x is equal to 143. Clear? Now remove the brackets here. 10x plus minus 3 plus 10 into x 10x plus into minus minus 10 3 is a 30 plus x is equal to 143. Okay. So 10x plus x 11x 11x plus 10x 21x here x 22x 10x 10x 20x plus 1 plus 1 orally 22x 22x minus 3 minus 30 orally minus 33 is equal to 143. Okay. So 22x minus 33 is equal to 143. Now 22x is equal to separate the variables and constants. So 22x is equal to 143 plus 33. So 22x is equal to 176. X is equal to 176 by 22. So 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11, remainder 6 and here 6. So 66, 11 6 is 66. Then after 2 1s, 2 8s are. So x is equal to 8. What is x? The tens place of the number. What is 6? The tens place of the number. Next, what is the y? That is the unit value. What is the y? X minus 3. X minus 3. So, from 3, y is equal to x minus 3. Therefore, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Therefore, the 2-digit number is, how can you write? Wait. Hence, therefore, the unit place y is equal to how much we will get? 5 and tens place. Tens place is equal to tens place. What is the tens place? X. X is equal to 8. So therefore the 2-digit number becomes xy. X, what is x? 8 and what is the y? 5. So 85 is our 2-digit number. Okay, let's once check it. Is it right or wrong? So our answer is 85. Our answer 85. First, this is a 2-digit number. Difference of these two, 3. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay, right. Second one, if you interchange means it becomes 58. Okay, if you join these two numbers, then you will 143. So 85. Join these two. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1. 9 plus 5, 14. So 143. Is it right? Yes. So suppose they will give any type of, that means digit based numbers, you
only
will
should write as expanded form only. Okay.
Okay. Did you get? First of all, should take any 2-digit number means xy, but you have to convert that y value. That means another variable should convert into the one variable only. Whatever, suppose you will take the y value as the x. Here we took y as the x, but here you will try to find x value as a y. One. The next one, this is also same digit based sum. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So what is the 2-digit number? Same. Okay, see, first condition or clue. So first clue, some 2-digit number. Let's take xy is the 2-digit number. So sum. Second one, sum. That means add it, then you will get 9. Next, when we interchange the digits, if you interchange, that means it becomes yx. Okay, yx. The founding result of the new number is greater than the original number. So new number means this yx is greater than the original number. That 27 is more than the original number. So that means first xy plus 27. Yes or no? Now we have to find that original number. This is original number and this is new number. Resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. That means the new number is 27 more than the new number is 27 more than the original number. That means if you interchange, suppose think 23. Suppose take 23. It is original number. If you interchange, it becomes 32. Yes or no? So here saying that second number, that means 32 is greater number. Yes or no? Here greater not? Yes. Here greater or not? Yes, it is greater. Then how much greater? 27 greater. That means we should add 23 plus 27, then you will get 32. But it is not correct. I am giving some example oriented. Okay na? Okay. So in this way we will find the number. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Let the tens place be x, unit place be y. How can you write the digit 2-digit number? This is tens place. So x, unit place y. So xy. So the 2-digit number be xy. Okay. So in general way, how can you write this one? Yes. 10 into x plus y. Okay. Consider this is equation 1. Expression 1. Okay. Next, if you interchange the digits, then we will get the 2-digit number yx. Yes or no? It becomes yx. How can you write in general way? 10 into y plus x. 10 into y plus x. Should take 2. Next, and given one another condition, that is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. What is the number we took? xy is the number. If you add this 2, then you will get 9. That is the condition. Clue. Okay. So that means x plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus x. Already you know why I took y. Why I calculate this y means we are doing only one variable sums. So here fourth condition, new number is equal to original number plus 27. Yes or no? The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Greater means to add, plus, more. Okay. So new number is equal to original number plus 27. What is the new number? We got the second equation. What is the second equation? 10y plus x is equal to original number 10x plus y. Just observe, these two are different, not equal. This is x value, this is x, this is y, this is y, this is x. Clear? So 10y plus x is equal to 10x plus y is plus 27. Now substitute that y value, y is equal to 9 minus x, then 10 into 9 minus x plus x is equal to 10x plus, what is the y value? Yes, 9 minus x. 9 minus x, what is the y value? 9 minus x, 9 minus x plus 27. Okay, now remove the brackets. 10 into 9, 90 minus 10 into x, 10x plus x is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27. Okay, now we got having variables on both side equation. We got the linear equation having variables on both sides. Now separate the variables and the constant. That means should separate, that means you should write variable values one side and constant values one side. Okay, next, so 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27. So 90x, 90 minus 9x, 9x plus 9 plus 27, that is equal to 36. Okay, so I separate that variables and constants. I transport this 36 from right hand side to left hand side. It becomes minus 36 is equal to this 9 minus 9x. Minus 9x I transpose to RHS, it becomes plus 9x. Okay, so 90 plus 36 becomes minus 36 is equal to 9x minus 9x becomes plus 9x. So 9x 9x 18x. Next, 90 minus 36 54. Okay, so already we know, already we learned variable value should keep in left hand side only. So that means 18x is equal to 54. Now we want only the variable value, that is x. X is equal to 54 by 18. 18 ones, 18 threes. Therefore x is equal to 3. What is the x value? Yes, this is the tens place value. What is x? Tens place value. Therefore the tens place x is equal to 3. Now units place. What is the unit place? Y. Y is equal to 9 minus x. 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Therefore the 2-digit number is equal to, that is xy. We took this xy. Where should write it? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to y value 6. So 36 is our answer. Clear? Once check it, is it right or wrong? We got 36. Answer 36. Interchange this to, if you first condition, add this to that 3 plus 6 9. First condition is right, satisfied the first condition. Second one, if you interchange means it becomes 63. Okay, so it is how much more than the previous? How much more than the previous one? That means just subtract that value, 36. 3 minus 6, that is 7. Here carry 5, 2, 27. So difference is 27. Did you get or not? So our answer is right. Clear? Okay. I hope you understand how to solve the digit based sums. I will give one more example, that means exercise 2.4, I think 4th question. So try it. Okay na?